Hey guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App to your Coinbase account. First of all, you need to copy your Bitcoin wallet address from Coinbase. So you need to open your Coinbase app, then click these arrows right here, select Receive, and from the list you need to find Bitcoin address. So right here is Bitcoin. You need to click this copy button right here and the address will be copied. Now you can close Coinbase and you can go to your Cash App account. When you go to your Cash App, you need to click the bank icon in the bottom left menu. Scroll down until you will see Bitcoin. And on the main page, you will see your Bitcoin balance. In the bottom, you will see this arrow button right here. You need to click this arrow button, and then it will ask you to paste the wallet address. So you need to paste the wallet address you just copied from Coinbase. And then you need to enter the amount you want to send to Coinbase account. After that, you need to choose the withdrawal speed. So if you take priority, you will receive your money in about 10 minutes, but the fee will be higher. So that's how you can send your Bitcoin from Cash App to your Coinbase account. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.